There's things like, oh, which wallets can I use with this chain? Or what is your RPC? Like, these are some of the most common questions that DevRels get. And this is the most basic information that every chain needs to provide, but they hide it on page 10.
Hi, Jeff. How are you?
Turning out pretty good. It's a little hot and it's still a little sleepy. This is Singapore at the convention center. You can hear the Formula One, and it's the last day of the race and also the last day of the ETHGlobal Hackathon before we wrap up our crazy week.
So tell me, what are you doing with Tree?
So we're building a developer onboarding tool at Cookbook. And that means we're helping protocols grow their developer communities and help new devs deploy on new protocols by reducing your time to hello world. So if you want to write code, it shouldn't be so hard for you to go through smart contracts, read through documentation, and to get your first code out. We want to make that easy for you so you can get your hands dirty and get into blockchain.
Man, that's amazing because I am a software engineer and I always have problems on reading documentation, finding answers. I like the time to hello world concept. How do you actually help in practice developers onboarding in protocols?
I think it's really by providing the tools for developers to view examples of different contracts, to put all the different information out there and aggregate that, put that in the same place, having a place where they can answer questions and then also just experiment with the different things that they want to build. So we provide a widget for protocols to embed into their documentation with a smart contract library, a ChatGPT bot, and a code editor where you can deploy code directly to the chains from the protocol's websites.
Oh, nice. Like Remix on the go. For the
Remix on the
protocol.
go. It's Remix for every chain on steroids.
What is, in your opinion, the biggest mistake protocol do on their documentation?
I think a lot of protocols make it very difficult to find basic information. There's things like, oh, which wallets can I use with this chain? Or what is your RPC? Like, these are some of the most common questions that DevRels get. And this is the most basic information that every chain needs to provide, but they hide it on page 10.
Yeah. Okay, I see. Like things that maybe are given for granted, but are not actually like shouldn't. Okay, man. Do you have something to say?
Thanks for having me here. Singapore is awesome. Just reach out to me if you have a cool alpha on a random meme coin. I've not done very good at shit coins, and I want your help picking the next one.
Okay, man. Thank you very much.